Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making gluten-free and vegan breakfast burritos. So I'm starting out with a quart of my canned potatoes that I have drained and rinsed, and I'm spreading those out on a Silpat lined baking sheet along with some chopped onion and some chopped sweet bell peppers. These are ones that I had previously chopped and frozen. And then I'm adding a drizzle of olive oil, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some white pepper, and some ground thyme. And then I'll give that a mix to get those spices spread out throughout the veggies, and then we'll spread them into a single layer. And then we'll pop those into a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes or until everything is nice and brown, stirring it halfway through. So here's what they look like out of the oven, and I've let them cool a little bit. And now we're going to build our breakfast burrito. So I have some homemade gluten-free tortillas here and my tofu scramble. I'll link both of those videos down below for you. So I'm just adding a little bit of the veggie filling and some tofu scramble into the middle of my tortilla. Being careful not to overfill it. And then I like to add a little sprinkle of vegan shredded cheese and some salsa verde. And then we'll get this wrapped up into a burrito, and it's ready to enjoy. I do like to keep the ingredients separately in the fridge and make these individually as I want them throughout the week. So I'll show you a clip of how I store everything in containers. I don't know that they would hold up very well if you were to make them all in advance, but let me know if you try that out and it works for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.